Oh my god, Lola, are you excited that we're on a team?
Well, I'd be more excited when we're actually doing something, when it's time to do something.
Me too.
You always get excited about everything.
You mentioned that so many times, but it's true. Well, sometimes now. But who cares? We're on a team together.
Get off! I can't believe Gavin's getting us to know the team members better.
Yeah, especially if we both have the same face.
We know. You keep on mentioning that.
Yeah, I just need to remind everybody clearly.
You've pretty much reminded them enough.
Oh, what am I saying? I'm Ashton, not Jay.
Yes, I'm Jay. He's Ashton.
I still don't like how we're actually team members. I mean, bad things could happen.
Well, it hasn't even happened now.
But it could later.
Come on, two witches, get off of me. I think we would be great together.
Yeah, we'll just see about that when we have to face these consequences for being together. I should hopefully leave the show soon.
But don't you want to win 1,000,000 stats?
Not without you here.
Okay.
I just have one surprise for you all. It is challenge time. Aren't you excited? Oh boy, I am. Oh, sorry, Jay.
This is what happens when you get excited over everything.
Yeah. Alright, so I have this deck of cards here, and you guys have to pull a card and hope that you get higher than the other team member. If you get lower, you're out. The first team to lose all their members in this challenge will have to face elimination. You got that?
Yes, I got it. Can we start now?
Sure. So this is how the line will go. So Happy Goth, Gillian, and Good Witch, you're up. Happy Goth, Gillian, you may roll first. So it'll always be Exciting Elephants will draw first, and the Boring Bulls will go second. So Happy Goth, Gillian, go ahead.
I would be delighted to. My card is... What do you know? It is a Jack of Spades. Alright, my card will be higher. And hopefully it's a 7. I guess I am out.
So Good Witch is out. Happy Goth, Gillian, you may move to the back of the line.
Okay.
Next up is Lola and Angry Cathy.
Stop it! Let me draw first!
Like I said before, Excited Elephants draw first. So Lola, you do the honors.
Fine. Just don't get hard on me. Oh, it's a king. A king! You gotta be believing me.
Wait, let me clear off this card.
What do I have? Coin! I told you I should have drawn first. Ah.
Alright, now Ashton and Francis.
Alright, what do I have? A 9. Okay, what's my card then? If I can pick it up. Ooh, a 10. I win. Yay. Dang it.
Next is Marvin and Caroline. Alright, this one is, oh wait, it's down here. It's a 2, whatever 2 means. Are you seriously that stupid? What does stupid mean? Seriously, have you ever gone to school? What school? Next up, get a brain. What's a brain? Oh wait, I remember all those things I said.
Finally, I'll pick this card that fell. It's a 3. Looks like I win.
Ah. And I just remembered that my name is Marvin again. Alright, so next we have Jay and Bad Witch.
This should be interesting. Alright, what's my card? It's a 10!
Alright, let's see here. Drat! It's a cursed 4. You got lucky this time, Blue Ninja.
Yes, I did get lucky.
Now we have Gavin and Timothy. Yeah, get it to draw! Well, I don't want to pass the cards. It's a 7. Oh boy, I really hope I get higher.
Alright, let's see here. It's a 9.
Ah, I was really excited to move to the next round, too. Yeah.
Huh.
Next we have Happy Goth, Gillian, and Francis.
Oh boy. Sorry, guys. Ooh, it's an ace. Is ace the highest or the lowest?
In this case, it's the highest, so you may automatically win. Come up, Francis.
Oh boy, this should be interesting. Losing to a happy goth. It's a 5, of course. Well, it was fun. Even though I really didn't get to do anything exciting.
Oh, don't worry. There will be excitement later on. So next, Lola and Caroline.
I wonder what card I should take. The one that says 8 on it? I guess I get 6. I'm out. Goodbye.
I guess it's just down to Timothy Batears then. Come on out, Jay and Timothy. Alright, Timothy, you still need to stay in the game. So draw a higher card than Jay, Gillian, and Lola.
It's a 9!
What's my card? It's a king. Yeah, you're out.
Darn it! But boy, it's my turn. It's a 3.
My card is... It's a 4. Yes. Huh. I just need to knock Lola out and I win.
That was fun. I'm happy I had fun.
Alright, Lola, it's just down to you and Timothy. Lola, draw your card.
My card is. It's a 9. Can you beat that?
It's a 7. It's barely lower. Well, I guess my team loses then. Really hope I don't get voted out now.
Don't worry, Timothy. I have faith safe in you. We already know who's going home.
Yeah, and we're going to find out right now in the elimination. By the way, there's no theme. Let's just get to it. Alright, so, welcome to the elimination. You all voted for one contestant on your team who you want to leave the show. I've counted up the votes, and it's time to reveal who will be eliminated. If you're safe, I will call your name. You'll get these little Lego pieces right here on the screen. I have 5 of them. Enough for all but one. If you don't get one, you will be eliminated and flicked off the show. Okay, instead of kicked off the show, it's flicked off the show because this giant hand here will flick you so far away that I have no idea where you will land. Something will pick you up and it'll take you to where you're supposed to be eliminated. So anyway, let's begin. With 0 votes is Good Witch, Carolyn, and Francis. Bad Witch. You voted yourself because you wanted to get away from Good Witch. Please keep in mind this is not total drama. So even if you vote for yourself, you're still in. But you only have 1 vote, so here's your piece.
Darn, I was hoping to go home soon.
And give up on 1 million studs, their actual Lego game money that Lego people use.
I can go win it somewhere else. But for now, my bad witch senses must remain here until I find somewhere else to reveal my bad witchness.
Okay. So we have Timothy, Batears, and Angry Cathy.
You better not kick me off. You better kick Timothy off. He was the one that lost.
But it was based on luck.
I don't care.
Well, joke's on you, Cathy, because Timothy Batears is safe and you are eliminated.
What? That's gonna happen. I swear, I am not going to get kicked off.
Well, we're tired of your angriness, so it's going to happen.
No,
Okay. Finally, she's gone. Well, we have 11 contestants left. Who will be the next to be eliminated on Lightning Lego Battle? Find out on the next episode of Lightning Lego Battle. Goodbye.